Hey, what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Moto. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut fog light pinstripe on this 2024 Subaru Impreza. This is the gloss red version. This is also available in a variety of other colors on our website. So first you're going to start by cleaning the surface and surrounding area. And then this is going to be applied dry. We're going to start in this upper corner and sort of work the film this way. So once you have the top portion lined, you're going to follow this curved portion all the way down. Keeping a little bit of tension on the film with your other hand. And once you have it aligned, just start to work the film down onto the fog lamp cover. And then you can repeat the process on the other side too. It's a pretty simple installation. The link for this is available, or is in the video description below the video. Like I said, we also have a bunch of other items for this vehicle, so make sure to check those out as well. Thanks for watching.